If you are a non-IT student or a career switcher, this video is for you. Can you really switch from non-IT to IT in 2026 without coding? Confusion about where to start is common because many paths look technical and full of code. So, what is Snowflake in simple terms? It is a cloud data platform for storing and analyzing data at scale. Why choose Snowflake in 2026? It has high demand. Let us cover the core skills you need to get started with Snowflake. Learn SQL, data concepts, data loading, and sharing features. Optional but useful. Learn basic Python for data tasks and automation. Typical entry-level job roles include data analyst, Snowflake developer, and junior data engineer. Focus on gaining practical projects and interview preparation rather than exact salary numbers. If you commit 3 to 6 months, you can build the skills to land an entry-level role using Snowflake.
For more details, contact Snowflake Masters.